Welcome back. In this video I finally finished all the groundworks I need to do so I can finally start the frame build of this workshop. So all of this dirt, believe it or not, is what came out of the piers, and if you haven't seen the drilling of these piers, have a look at my earlier video. They're quite deep because this is on field land. It didn't take too long to move it around with the excavator. There's a bit of excess that I'll just move to a different location on my property. Now I've roughed in the plumbing and the stormwater, and once I got this far I then got a whole heap of road base to create a solid platform for the slab when I finally get to that point. So the land wasn't exactly level, so one end it does go to about 8 inches deep, which is quite a bit of road base, and on the other end it might have went down to about 3 inches. So I just slowly level it all out. It took about 70 tons of road base to do this entire area. It puts a new perspective on it as well, and you can now see how big this workshop's going to be. So it is about 21 meters by 13. Once I level it out, I just tidied it up with a rake, wet it down, and then compact it. And I'm doing all of this because I am about to get a steel delivery, and there's quite a heavy truck that needs to come to drive on this, and I do want to start the welding of the columns and beams very soon. So at this point the pad's all prepared. You can see all the piers. There's a little bit more work I need to do on the stormwater and the sewer system or the plumbing, and I've still got an area just at the back there where I need to finish off the electric, so that's where the subboard for the workshop's going to go, and I'm going to build a little battery room out there. So the truck arrives with the metal. Now again, if you missed my earlier videos, this is a complete custom build. It's a workshop I've designed myself. I've had an architect draw up my plans, and engineering's been done to size up the beams, the piers, and the rest of the structure. So what I'm going to do from here is, you can see here there's a number of large I-beams, there's C-sections. It'll be a complete metal portal frame, and this is all structural metal. So in the next video I'll start cutting this up and building this into rafters and purlins and columns to start building the frame. It's taken a long time to get to this point, but it's a big jigsaw puzzle, to be honest, and everything needs to be done in the right order. I'm quite happy with getting to this point, because it now feels like this is really the start of this build, and it's something that is more in my area of expertise. So I'm looking forward to starting to create something pretty unique out of all of this metal. There's about 8 tons of metal all up. The delivery was done by Craneworks. I've got to say it was an excellent service. If you're in the Adelaide area and you need either a crane or a truck delivery like this, I'd highly recommend giving these guys a call. One of the best trucks as well I've seen in a very long time. So there's all the steel again. In the next video I will start on the structural build. See you next time.